The Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine being shipped out across the country.
Nearly 4 million doses being distributed from the company's center in Kentucky. The COVID-19 vaccine was approved for emergency use authorization over the weekend. Unlike the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines already available, Johnson & Johnson's version only requires 1 dose, and it does not have to be kept in a freezer. Governor Henry McMaster says South Carolina will get the new vaccine this week.
Johnson & Johnson is supposed to arrive either Friday or Saturday. There won't be as much of it coming in the beginning as there was when they opened the door for the Pfizer and the Moderna, because that had already been produced and was stockpiled awaiting FDA approval. That has not happened with Johnson & Johnson, which came along later. But the good news is we're going up with vaccine.
By the end of March, Pfizer, Moderna, and J&J have pledged to make a total of 240 million doses available for shipment. South Carolina will get 41,000 doses this week. Now, Johnson & Johnson says 2 trial participants suffered allergic reactions after getting the vaccine. The CDC is asking care providers to monitor patients for 15 minutes after they get the shot and 30 minutes for patients who have a history of allergic reactions. We did talk to an upstate allergist about the vaccine and allergic reactions. He explains how these new vaccines work.
They get the genetic material from corona, SARS-CoV-2, that creates a spike. It's a DNA genome. And then they injected it to a live common cold virus called adenovirus, which is harmless. And then that's the one that they use as a vaccine. So how does it work? Basically, once the patient gets that live adenovirus vector vaccine, it creates an antibody production against that spike that caused the infection.
So if you're getting the 2-dose vaccines, if you have a severe allergic reaction after the first dose, the CDC recommends that you don't get a second dose.